What's up, heroes? It's me, Harry, and today we are going to be battling this guy again. So let's do this, yo. So let's battle these guys. Roar in your face. And all that stuff. This is awesome. I'm getting some experience. Alright, so came with dark type. Oops, I accidentally clicked something. Loomian raw. Destroy a mundo. Okay. Finally changed to light type. Loomian sword. Again. Destroy a mundo. Let's do this, yo. I'm trying to gather experience so this guy can finally evolve. It's not working. It's never evolving. It's not fair. It's literally not working. So I'm trying to make it evolve. Which also means I'm going to get some more things to evolve more too. Gotta get some other stuff. Wait, what's that? Wait. Let me see that. Guys, let's look at this. Wait, what is that? I never seen that Loomian before. Wait, what's that Loomian? Loomian. What's this? What is this Loomian? I never seen it before. Real quick. Is there something I'm missing? Like, am I a route? Is there something I'm missing? I gotta ask myself that. Am I missing a route or something? Well, real quick, let me go. This way. Is it open? Is it finally open? Okay, I don't think it's open though. Please be open. Please be open. And it's not opened. Okay, great. So never mind. I was just thinking that something would be opened and stuff. You know? For a change of heart, I thought it was actually going to be opened before the update actually came in. But I was wrong though. I was totally wrong. Wait. No. Alright, so. Let's do this. Alright, so. I don't know how did they get that Loomian. I never seen before. I never. Oh wait, okay, never mind. I thought it was a normal. Wait a sec. Wait, what is that? Seriously. Wait, let me ask. I'm gonna tell him that. I'm asking him that. See, is he gonna? He's not saying anything. I'm just gonna. Real quick, let me tell him I'm wreck. I'm just gonna say that. By the way, I'm wreck. So he actually answers. Okay, so I'm just saying that give him attention so he actually speaks, but he's not speaking. Anyways, let's do this. Alright, so Legacy and me are going to be training him. Real quick, let me tell someone in the chat my YouTube channel's name. Alright, so there. Anyways, let's get on with this. So, it's time for battling. So let's do this. Let's do this. Real quick, I'm gonna do this. So close to battle. Level up. Time to level up. I really like battling so we can get some XPs for stuff. I like that Loomian is roll. Okay. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Just leveled up. No, wrong time to be a dark type, but it's still effective. Destroy a mundo. Real quick, I may close my cam. Dun. Let's do this, yo. Oops, I accidentally clicked something. Piece of gunpowder. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's do this, yo. Alright, so we're going to go heal our Lumens. So they'll be ready in battle. Yo! This is... Gosh. Wait. Real quick, I have a question. Question. Okay, so let's do this. So let's heal some Lumens. Oops. Oh, they're already in full health. Wait, they are? Yeah. They're already in full health? Absolutely all of them? Oh, okay. I'm gonna look at the mastery puzzle cube now. I really don't need the puzzle cube. All I really need is like stuff. I used to catch this. Why? Just. I can't catch up. Okay, there. Today I have a million Lumens to choose from to trade with you guys. I will give these special Lumens to the special people who win the competition. I feel sorry for the ones who don't win the competition of the giveaway. The giveaway is if you subscribe and like the video and also comment down below your username, I'll friend you and then, I'll trade you the Loomians. These ones are special ones, only for the great one, the supporters. But maybe I can trade them for something else. Anyways, we're gonna be ending this video here real quick because we'll be leveling up this Loomian tomorrow and the other ones too. Bye bye, the heroes. Goodbye.